Stalin Ghost Challenge. We are kicking out the new year with the nice challenge. Get any surplus rifle, whatever you have, I don't care, have some fun. And most of the kills in World War II, sniper kills, were made within 300 meters. So the challenge is put the target at 300 yards and try to do 10 consecutive shots on the head and see how many hits you're going to score. I'm going to use this M41 Bravo rifle, sweetie, but you can use whatever you want to do. If you're tracking my messages on the Facebook or Instagram, you know I did it with the Mosin PU Sniper 2. You want to use AK? Use AK, why not? Have fun. It should be really awesome and interesting. So, very simple rules, gentlemen's rules. Don't cheat, right? Whatever score you have, post the picture or a link or message, wherever you're getting that wherever you're watching that video on whatever platform, and have fun. That's the bottom line. Main thread for this is going on the gun boards in the Mosin Nagant section. So if you want to check some really cool posts, go there. I'll place the link underneath of the video. But as I said, any kind of surplus rifle can play. Any setup you want to use its iron sights, use the iron sights and go for it. So 300 yards distance target, and we're looking for the headshots. Can you shoot like a sniper in World War II? Let's see.
Great shot, comrade. Every time you miss, comrade, I kill the puppy. Give that man some vodka. You miss, you go to work. Stalin likes how you shoot, comrade. Your slow reloading, comrade, is embarrassment to the Soviet Union. You will keep shooting like this, and you will be hero of the Soviet Union in no time. In Soviet Union, rifle shoots you. Your slow rate fire is embarrassment to the Soviet Union, comrade. In Soviet Russia, women penetrate you, comrade. Don't screw this shit up. Congratulations, comrade. You're a hero of the Soviet Union.
Absolutely massacre on that head. Swedish M41B. Wow, what a rifle.